Hey, my name is Ben and today I'm going to explain the concepts of machine learning. To understand machine learning, we first need to talk about artificial intelligence. Apart from being a buzzword to sell new products, artificial intelligence, also commonly referred to as AI, is a large research field in computer science. Although there is no exact definition of intelligence, artificial intelligence basically groups all the algorithms together that show some kind of smart behavior or try to mimic human behavior. Very often, algorithms from the field of artificial intelligence are used to automate some kind of routine. For example, driving cars. Since it is such a large research field, it can be split into two main categories: machine learning and planning. Planning is the task of creating a plan in order to achieve a goal. For example, imagine you have a game character and want to get to a goal location. What you could do is run an A-star pathfinding algorithm, which plans the optimal path to the goal location. These algorithms find the optimal solution by looking at many likely solutions without having to look up every possible solution in the search space. Machine learning algorithms, however, do not plan on the current problem instance. What they do is they learn from past experience in order to handle new events in the future. One very famous example is classifying handwritten digits. As past experience, we can give our model 1,000 images of handwritten digits. Then we can use that model in order to predict new images of handwritten digits. If this works well, our model has generalized. So it did not only learn the data by heart, but it manages to apply the knowledge of the past experience to classify the new data points. Machine learning models can learn a large variety of different tasks. For example, predicting stock prices or detecting seizures from patients that suffer from epileptic seizures. But also more creative tasks, like creating pictures of invented human faces and writing thrilling stories like the unicorn story from OpenAI's GPT-2. There are two main types of machine learning tasks: regression and classification. For classification, we want to predict a single class based on the input features. For example, if we have 10 different flowers, we want to predict the type of the flower based on the flower's features. For regression, we do not want to predict a class, but a number. For example, we want to sell a house on the market. Therefore, we collect the data about all the houses in our neighborhood and all the prices they have been sold at. Then we collect the features about our own house, and then we can predict the value at which we can sell our house. For a deeper understanding and algorithms to solve these tasks, check out the other tutorials. To design a machine learning algorithm, one would go through what is called the machine learning design cycle. We first have the data pre-processing, where we clean up the data and fill out missing values. Then we have feature extraction, which is the combination of features that we collected. For example, if we collect data about people, the height and weight, then we can calculate the BMI score and get this as a new feature. Then we have feature selection, where we select the features that actually can help our model learn the underlying data relations. Then we have the actual machine learning part, where we apply our machine learning algorithms to the dataset. After this, we have model selection and evaluation, where we select a model that suits our needs. For example, if we have multiple models, we can select the ones that performs the best for a given metric. Then finally, we have post-processing. This, for example, involves making sure that our predictions avoid racist discrimination and ensure fairness. Microsoft's chatbot is quite famous because it turned racist after learning from the interaction with users. Thanks for watching, that's it for this video. Make sure to check out mintube.net for additional material about machine learning and other courses. If you liked this video, leave a like and leave some constructive feedback in the comments. Again, thanks for watching, have a great day, bye.